Peppers, especially orange varieties, are becoming one of the more popular vegetables among health-conscious individuals. This is due to their high levels of nutrients, such as vitamin C, their sweet and pleasant taste, and their ability to be added to a number of different recipes. Consuming orange peppers regularly can also help to boost the immune system and promote our overall health. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming orange peppers regularly. First, orange peppers, like other bell peppers, are packed with a number of different healthy vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that can support our overall health. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin A, folate, niacin, vitamin B6, and thiamin, to name a few. Orange peppers also contain many potent antioxidant compounds and are a good source of dietary fiber while being low in calories. One of the best health benefits of consuming orange peppers is their ability to improve and boost immunity. They can help to reduce the risk of developing a number of different diseases and illnesses, such as the common cold and flu. This is often attributed to their high levels of vitamin C and vitamin A. These antioxidant nutrients can help to fight free radicals and oxidative stress that can weaken and compromise the immune system. As well, orange peppers are high in phytochemicals and carotenoids, which can reduce disease-causing inflammation. Consuming orange peppers can also help to reduce the risk of developing heart disease and can promote the overall health of the heart many different ways. They contain a unique and important compound known as capsaicin, which has been shown to help reduce bad LDL cholesterol in the body. Due to their ability to increase bile acid binding capacity, this allows our bodies to use cholesterol more efficiently and lower total cholesterol levels. The high levels of antioxidants, fiber, and flavonoids are also helpful in this regard. They can also help to support the overall health of our eyes and reduce unwanted eye-related ailments. This is often attributed to the high levels of antioxidants found in orange peppers. Most importantly, they contain high levels of eye-healthy antioxidants known as lutein and zeaxanthin, which are important for overall eye health and maintaining the health of our eyes as we get older. These nutrients can help to reduce the risk of developing macular degeneration and cataracts, and even reduce eye fatigue. Lastly, if you are looking to improve the overall health and look of the skin, then orange peppers can certainly help in this regard. This is because they are such amazing sources of both vitamin C and vitamin A. The high levels of these two nutrients, combined with carotenoid compounds, can promote collagen production and improve the overall health of the skin. Consuming orange peppers regularly can also help to hydrate the skin and reduce the signs of aging, such as fine lines and wrinkles. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.